On May 17th, we launched an audacious campaign.
If you believe in a healthy, abundant future
for yourself,
your family, and your community, join us in calling for strong support for regenerative agriculture in the Farm Bill.
Together, we have worked to advance the shared goals of regenerating soil, economies, communities, and health through federal policy reform, and are now over 100 organizations strong with 10,000 public supporters. We received early support from Secretary Vilsack and Chairman Scott and made an impression on the Hill in June when Will Harris, Don Breitkreitz, and Yadi Wong headed to D.C. to meet with Congress. The stories of these farmers ensured our policy platform resonated with both sides of the aisle. Soil is our common ground was ringing true. Farm tours continued through the year, bringing members and staff to the field to experience regeneration. Working with farmer friends and local partners, we brought Representatives Panetta and Carvajal out to California ranches. We also brought staff from Senator Braun, Congressman Blumenauer, and Congressman Thompson's offices out to events and tours. Summer and fall kept us all busy with hearings in the field and on the Hill. Cara Boyd testified to the Oversight Committee.
Regenerative agriculture is a critical solution to the farm crisis.
Chairman Scott held a historic hearing on soil health and regenerative agriculture.
Soil health. This is what is so important today.
And Rick Clark told the committee how his farm saved millions of dollars in input costs by regenerating the soil, and continued to call for greater representation of BIPOC and Indigenous producers in the conversation.
This is urgent, and it's critical that we have bipartisan action on the topic at hand today. American farmers are the most productive in the world, but we have to acknowledge the condition our soils are in.
Across the country, farmers and coalition members showed up to every field hearing, sharing first-hand stories of why regenerative farmers and ranchers should be supported. For the farm, for your food, for our future.
My name's Jim Kleinschmidt. I grew up on a family farm in Nebraska. We know regenerative farming can help reduce costs, increase fertility and water holding capacity, and reduce risk for farmers. We fully support Regenerate America's platform and all efforts to increase education, technical assistance, and incentives for farmers, ranchers, and landholders.
Throughout it all, we've been spreading a message. The next Farm Bill is a historic opportunity. From creative partnerships with members of the business network, to conferences, to the stages of Expo and Farm Aid.
I'll just add, so Regenerate America is it's a bipartisan coalition. That's really important, because you can't really get a lot done in Congress without that. They need to be getting behind regenerative agriculture, being aware of the importance of soil health and how that impacts climate, how it impacts droughts, flooding, biodiversity loss, farmer livelihood loss. So we can't do this without working together.
So thank you to the farmers and ranchers who are leading this work, to the coalition partners who have joined the call for action, and to everyone who has put their boots on the ground to build our soils and build a better, more regenerative future for all of us. In just 7 months, we have made immense progress advancing policies that will support soil health and are ready to bring the conversation to the new Congress come January. We are looking ahead to the next year with excitement and hope. It can't be done alone, but together we can regenerate America.